Hi everyone! In this video, we'll see how you can hand the entire tagging process of an architectural plan over to Argus. Argus is BIMLOGIQ's AI assistant that runs directly inside Revit and takes care of the repetitive parts of your documentation work. In this example, we want to tag all rooms, all doors and windows, and every wall longer than 2 meters. The important part is that we don't need to write anything technical or step-by-step. We simply describe what we want in plain language and send the prompt. Argus reads the model, filters the elements based on the conditions we defined, and creates the tags one by one. It then optimizes the position of each tag so nothing overlaps and the plan stays readable. What normally takes tens of minutes by hand is done here in a matter of moments. As you can see, all the tags have been placed correctly. At this point, you can review the result, and if anything needs to change, just tell Argus and it will adjust. You always stay in control of the final output. Once you're happy with the result, you can ask Argus to save this entire workflow as a command. From now on, there's no need to write the prompt again. The workflow becomes a reusable tool. The new command appears in the command Workbench. Here you can test it on your project, and once you're confident in the result, publish it so it's available to you and your team. You can edit them whenever you need. As an example, let's ask Argus to add a few new inputs so the user can choose which tag types to apply. After the edit, a new version of the command is created, earlier versions are preserved, and the final command can be used across all of your projects. This way, your Office documentation standards are defined once and applied consistently every time. As you can see, our command is now in draft state. If the result of the edit matches what we wanted, we click Publish to generate a new version of the command. Now that the command is saved, we can run it on any other view or any other project. So let's open our command library, pick the command we just saved, fill in the inputs, and run it. We give it a moment to work through the view, and there's our result. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to see more of what Argus can do, let us know in the comments which part of your daily workflow takes up the most time.